What's going on, guys? My name is Nathan and I'm the account director at Scriptstone, and today I wanted to dive a little bit deeper into the file feature and show you guys exactly what you can do within this feature. I'm signed in right now as Susan. She is the vice principal for Discovery School, and I understand from talking to a lot of different vice principals that paperwork overload, data security, and collaboration are main issues among most schools. So what we've done here is we've created a hub, a file sharing hub, where you can go ahead and upload any files you need. You can share them. You can change the visibility level to where only certain people can see them. So let's say you only want the principal and vice principal to see. You can do that. So right here we got visibility. We can go in here and we can click edit, and we can change the access level. So I have this one only on admin because it's only for admins. But if I wanted to, I could change it to where maybe executives or directors, and we can change these names to fit kind of your narrative of teachers, principals, and so on, parents. So parents would be guests, specialists would be teachers, and so on. But I can change this to where maybe the visibility is to more people, or I can change it to where it's only for admins. And as we go down, we can see we have departments, operations, parent resources, student resources, students, and teachers. So what you can do is you can have parents within the portal as well as guests. And what they can do is they can get on here, they can upload documents like medical records or things that are, need to be secure but also need to be shared with the school. And you can go in there with parent resources, and they can check for bus schedules, enrollment details, parent-teacher association, school calendar, and so on. So the parents will have access to a lot of important documents and information that they need without even having to contact the school. From the perspective of a vice principal, you're able to upload those documents at your leisure. As soon as you get them compiled, you can upload them to the portal, and you can put them in the correct folders, and then the correct people will see them. Student resources, same type of thing. Students can be in here and they can go ahead and get everything they need within their folder. From the perspective of a teacher, so teachers, you'll be able to collaborate with teachers and actually see exactly what they've uploaded to the portal, whether it's their grade book, their student communications, their lesson plans, things of that nature. So you can go ahead and streamline the collaboration process. So if I'm in here and I upload a certain document that I want a teacher to view, I click upload and I upload that document to one of the folders, and then I can go ahead and go right here to messages and then message them, hey, just uploaded to the portal. So it increases collaboration, you increase the visibility levels to where only certain people can see it, and on top of that, you increase collaboration to where you can, as a vice principal, collaborate with your team and do it efficiently. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a little bit more about the file feature within Scriptstone.